thing? And you never told us? Alright, so this is what it's looking like. As you can see, they are very, very full. I use 7.5 packs, and this is how full it is. Now, I actually don't really wear middle parts, so I probably won't wear it like this. If anything, it'll be flipped to the side. But I'm about to boil some hot water and see if I can somehow like dip these just real quick to stretch them out and like get rid of some of this body. This is how long they are on me. And I definitely want them to be like as long as they can be. So I'm gonna dip these in hot water, hopefully not getting rid of the curls. Hopefully just to stretch it out some. So we're about to see. Wish me luck. Whoa, little sexy! What's up, guys? Welcome back to my channel, or if it's your first time, welcome in general. I'm Reese, and today, as you can tell by the title of the video, I am going to be reviewing these crochet passion twists. Seems like every time I start a video, here go an airplane flying by. So yes, as you can tell by the title of the video, I'm going to be reviewing these crochet passion twists. And I got these from a company called TOYOTRESS. And these are their Tiana passion twists, and they are 100% handmade. So this is an Amazon store, and I'll be sure to link all of their social media and stuff down below so that you guys can check them out, and I'll link this here. So the color that I got is the color T30. Yeah, the passion twists are dark at the root, and then they have these nice chocolate brown tips. So that is the color I got, but they also have one with blonde tips, and they have 1B as well. And I think they have other colors, but I'll link it down below so you guys can check that out and look at all their colors and stuff. The shipping for this hair only took about 1 week, so the shipping is definitely super fast. If you're looking for something that's not going to take forever, you can definitely order from this company. They sent me 9 packs of their passion twists, and I only ended up using about 7.5 packs. I feel like I could have done less. It did end up coming out super full and very voluminous, so I feel like I definitely could have got away with less packs, but I wanted to make it look nice so you guys could see how it looks with what they sent me. I did think that I wanted to kind of flatten them out a little bit, and I was gonna try like dipping them in water, and I actually did do that to like a section on the side. You can see it's kind of less curly on the end than like these. Oh, here's that one. Obviously I could dip the ends, and I thought that I'd be able to get it like up here, but it wasn't working. So if you want to get some of the body out on top, then you'll have to dip it before you install the braids. Not the braids, the twist. So yeah, you guys, that's going to conclude this video. I hope that you enjoyed. If you did, be sure to give this video a thumbs up, you already know, and also hit that red subscribe button. Yeah, if you have any other questions or comments and concerns, feel free to leave them down below. And as always, thank you so much for watching. I love you, and I'll see you in the next one.